If you're still using Photoshop and Canva as your main design tools, you're already missing out. AI has changed the way we design, and today's tool feels less like an AI image generator and more like hiring an entire creative agency that works for you 24/7. It can create logos, custom fonts, product photography, social media posts, ad creatives, and even AI videos, all while keeping your brand perfectly consistent. The best part, you only need to describe what you want in plain English. Today, I'm introducing Lovart, and by the end of this video, we'll build an entire coffee brand from scratch in just a few minutes. You can find the link in the description if you'd like to follow along. When you first open Lovart, you'll see a clean dashboard filled with AI tools and thousands of creations from the community. From branding projects and illustrations to UI designs, packaging, architecture, and product concepts. There's plenty of inspiration before you even start. Let's create our own brand. We'll call it Aura Coffee, click New Project, and you'll enter Lovart's AI canvas. Think of it as your creative workspace where every asset for your brand lives together. On the right is the prompt box, and that's where all the magic happens. Let's begin with the logo. I'll type, generate a minimalist vector logo for Aura Coffee featuring a rising sun combined with a coffee bean, black and gold, luxury brand aesthetic. After a few seconds, Lovart creates a clean professional logo. Next, let's create a custom font. Click on the font generator. Instead of searching through thousands of fonts online, Lovart can generate one specifically for your brand. Simply describe the style or upload a reference if you already have one. I'll ask for an elegant luxury serif paired with a clean modern look. Just wait a moment, and your custom Aura font is ready. Go ahead and save it. We're about to put it to work. Now let's generate a hero product image. I'll use this prompt. Premium product photo of an Aura coffee bag on a marble table, warm morning sunlight, cinematic lighting, ultra realistic. The result looks incredible. What really impressed me is that this isn't just a logo generator. You can create almost any marketing asset from a single prompt. For example, I can simply type something like generate posters, product shots, social media creatives, banners, basically anything I need, hit enter, and within seconds, everything is ready. The quality is surprisingly good. The images look polished, professional, and in most cases, they're ready to use right away. But there's one problem. If you generate everything without any setup, you'll notice the logos, typography, and overall branding aren't consistent. Every image feels like it belongs to a different company. That's where the brand kit comes in. Go back to the home page, open brand kit, and click Create Brand Kit. Upload the logo, the custom font, and the product image we just created. That's it. Now click Create Project with this brand kit. This changes everything. From now on, Lovart remembers your entire visual identity. Your logo, colors, typography, and overall style are automatically applied to everything you generate. You don't have to explain your brand every single time. Let's test it. I'll ask Lovart to create a cozy Instagram lifestyle photo featuring an Aura coffee mug with soft morning light. A few seconds later, we get a beautiful branded image that perfectly matches everything we've created. Now let's generate a Facebook ad. I'll ask for a clean product advertisement with studio lighting and a minimalist luxury style. Again, the results are incredibly polished. What if we want a matte black version of the packaging instead? No problem. I'll simply update the prompt, generate again, and Lovart creates another premium variation while keeping the same branding. The logo, colors, typography, and overall style all remain consistent automatically. But we're just getting started. Let's ask Lovart to generate more product visuals. Within seconds, it creates multiple professional marketing shots, a coffee bag surrounded by roasted beans, a warm coffee mug scene, a macro shot of fresh coffee beans, and even a clean shelf display ready for an online store. All of this came from one simple prompt. Now let's create Instagram posts. This is where things get really interesting. Lovart doesn't just generate beautiful images, it also writes the marketing copy for you. Each post includes matching headlines, layouts, and branding that actually feel ready to publish. The AI keeps everything consistent across every design it generates. I asked it to generate 5 luxury minimalist cafe posters, and the results look fantastic. The biggest difference is consistency. Every poster uses the same logo, the same visual identity, and the same overall brand style. It actually feels like a real brand instead of 5 random AI-generated designs. I tested this multiple times, and the consistency is honestly impressive. But what if something isn't perfect? Editing is surprisingly easy. Simply click any design and choose Edit Elements. Lovart creates a duplicate, keeping your original safe while making the new version fully editable. You can change text, move objects, remove elements, or redesign parts of the image without starting over. You can also use text edit feature. Just click on the image you want to modify, then choose edit text feature. The tool automatically extracts all the text from the image, allowing you to edit any headline, subtitle, or description in just a few clicks. It's simple, fast, and saves a lot of time. Here's an even cooler example. I'll click the product label and simply tell Lovart, change the net weight to 500 grams. A few seconds later, the image is regenerated with only that single change. Everything else stays exactly the same. No Photoshop, no masking, no manual editing. Just describe what you want. Finally, let's generate a video. I'll type, create a 16:9 promotional video for Aura Coffee. After a short wait, Lovart produces a polished AI commercial. And if you already have an image you like, simply select it and type something like, animate this. Just wait a moment, and your video is ready. Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or paid advertisements. What impresses me most is that everything happens inside one project. Your logos, fonts, mock-ups, social posts, advertisements, images, and videos all stay together on a single AI canvas, making the entire branding process feel effortless. Whether you're building a business, launching a product, creating content for clients, or simply experimenting with AI, Lovart dramatically reduces the amount of time needed to produce professional quality creative work. If you'd like to try Lovart yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more powerful AI tools before everyone else, make sure to subscribe to ReachMora, and I'll see you in the next one.